Sometimes, jealousy does not look like hate. It hides behind smiles, silence, and strange reactions. A friend may sit right in front of you, but their energy can suddenly feel different. You may not understand it at first, but your heart notices when support feels forced. And slowly, you begin realizing the friendship feels warm on the surface but competitive underneath. Sign 1. They don't seem genuinely happy when something good happens to you. Instead of celebrating your win, they quickly change the topic or make the moment feel smaller. You may start imagining how real support should feel, because their reaction leaves you confused. They may clap, smile, or say the right words, but their face tells another story. Later, you replay the moment and wonder why your happiness made them uncomfortable. Your success should feel safe around friends, not like something you need to hide. Sign 2. They constantly compare themselves to you, even when you are not competing. They compare progress, attention, appearance, confidence, relationships, and even small personal wins. A healthy friend feels inspired by your growth, but a jealous friend feels threatened by it. You may notice them studying your life like they are measuring their own worth against yours. Their questions may sound casual, but underneath them you can feel comparison and insecurity. Friendship becomes exhausting when someone turns your journey into their personal scoreboard. Sign 3. They downplay your achievements instead of respecting the effort behind them. You may share something meaningful, and they act like it was easy or not that impressive. That kind of reaction can quietly deflate your excitement and make you feel embarrassed for being proud. But their inability to celebrate you does not make your achievement any less valuable. The truth becomes clearer when they celebrate others loudly but minimize everything you do. Real friends water your confidence. Jealous friends often leave it sitting in the shade. Sign 4. They copy you too much, but refuse to admit they are influenced by you. At first, it may feel harmless, like similar taste or casual inspiration. But when they copy your style, ideas, habits, and personality repeatedly, it starts feeling strange. They may even use your ideas publicly while acting like everything came from them. And when you notice the pattern, they dismiss it so you start questioning yourself. Imitation can feel flattering, but not when someone copies you while secretly resenting you. Sign 5. Everything with them slowly starts feeling like a hidden competition. If you share a goal, they immediately need to prove they are doing something better. If you get attention, they interrupt, redirect, or try to take the spotlight back. Even simple moments can become tense because they always need to feel ahead of you. After spending time with them, you may feel drained instead of supported or understood. Friendship should feel like safety, not like an invisible race you never agreed to run. Sign 6. They disappear during your happiest moments but expect you to show up for theirs. They may ignore invitations, avoid celebrations, or act too busy when it is your turn to shine. You keep looking for them during important moments, hoping they will finally show support. But their absence starts speaking louder than all the excuses they give later. And it hurts more when you realize they had time for everyone else except you. Pay attention to who shows up when life is good, not only when life is falling apart. Sign 7. They seem strangely comfortable when something goes wrong for you. They may act concerned, but their face briefly shows relief, satisfaction, or hidden enjoyment. Then you remember they were tense during your success but relaxed during your disappointment. That moment can be painful because it reveals what your growth was triggering inside them. When someone feels safer around your failure than your success, emotional distance becomes necessary. Stepping back does not mean you hate them. It means you finally respect your own peace. Writing down repeated patterns can help you separate real evidence from emotional confusion. Spend more time with people who celebrate your growth without turning it into a threat. You do not need to chase approval from someone who secretly resents your light. Real friends do not compete with your shine. They stand beside you and help it grow.